how to find and share WhatsApp QR code. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Select Settings. At the very top, you will see your WhatsApp account. Tap on the QR option. This is your WhatsApp account QR code. WhatsApp automatically generates a QR code for your account. If you are on this page, you have successfully found your WhatsApp QR code. There are two ways to share this QR code, and that is either online or offline. If you want to share your WhatsApp account online, simply come on to this page and have the recipient scan the QR code. If that feels cumbersome, you can share your QR code directly to them. Tap on the share option. Now share your QR code to various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger and more. Once the recipient scans the QR code, they will instantly find your WhatsApp account. For offline sharing, take a screenshot of your QR code. Once you have taken it, return to your home screen. Now open any QR code scanner app. Tap on the gallery icon, then select the WhatsApp QR code screenshot. After scanning the QR code, you will get your WhatsApp account link. Tap Go to website, then you will be directed to your WhatsApp account, where it says WhatsApp account found and shows your profile, confirming that the QR code works perfectly. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to find and share your WhatsApp account QR code. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.